mo. Iyo. Tagi live ya, Tagi live ya. Cái câu tốt sai tagi live ya. Malo mo lele tao tôi mau về aho. Para off rồi ni, Coi hai người nhớ lấy cái hàng ngày mấy cái Cô birthday với cái ahon nhé. Lấy cái kiểu lui hàng cái matameni cái tahine birthday. Khi xưa mà nghe matameni. Si mi fala tamoni ko te ki alonga we pate fo ki me wa ka tout que tali ga to birthday ko tahine matameni. Tu fita talawi.
Grandma, that's what she's say.
Ay ko he.
Cheers to the birthday.
Pa tu matali ni kamele na tawe fu me a hetelinga. Si
Mutala tu po.
Mali. Truly guy. Pakala thanga lau. Ko ahoya ko ni. Malo pe mo ui he se tai. O fala hia te se ta. Ahonia ko malo pe manava ko fetu tu ku we ke ilo ya ta tai me fetu tu ku me ngo pe ke ha me alele ia ma he matameni ka ko fakalata tu foi hakame foi tuntun ba pakiu foi kulo sapa sui asi si tong no pa etini awa Pakalata tu, leo pego kita pile masiva, kako pakalata tu kita family heavy na iya, si kopena ya ketululi ya.
Ketululi mix otak itu como si así, no me queda agua angau.
Iyo pakalata.
Lagi kata di bawah.
Aku tu orang we ali vidi. Nau dai vừa phải ao tôi ai tàu ba chi tôi naki. Cái hao một tu bao. Đây bây giờ màu gai mà thôi.
Tama andi yang mampu.
Helal.
Aku ni yang berfai mata.
Ya. Supaya pada hari nak tu kita mata meni.
Ya, saya tak tahu kan mata meni yang boleh ni.
Mari
Pacarata. Happy birthday, Mary.
Thank you, C.
No seasoning in what? Just eat. All your other food is seasoned, so just eat it with it.
For Ahonia, I feel like I'm getting younger.
Ew! Oh my god!
Hello, Californians. You've got a big choice to make by September 14th. Governor Newsom has spent the past year and a half protecting California communities. Now Republicans are trying to recall him from office.
Seta said happy birthday, Ofatu Yamoto Luceta.
For healthcare workers and school staff. Your vote could be the difference between protecting our kids and putting them at risk. Helping Californians recover or taking us backwards. Protect California by voting no on Republican recall.
Moholo Pehai. Lolo halai malu happy birthday mele malo singawe lahi mehena Ofatu. moco. Fuck vale loto. Say hi to the birthday girl. She's enjoying her meal made by her. Bago Chef Fina Ramsey any Fina Ramsey Malo ngawe Malo Fancy. Someone said happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mele. Hey, look, it's Manu. Happy birthday, Mele. Hey, Manu. Hi, Manu. Kioloi kaufusi. Kioloi kaufusi. Kioloi kaufusi. Just came to wish the auntie a happy birthday. How dare you? Oh, what? Happy sweet 16, Mary. For me? I think the DJ's phone is gonna die soon.
It's okay. We don't worry
So-
about the DJ's phone.
Don't ever say that about DJ Coletai. DJ Coletai on the beat. It's outside over there. Now we have the cake ready whenever you guys are ready. Ew, tô fahupe uncle. Manu's so annoying. Manu said hello pehe hai mo paleti. It's your sister. Your sister. Hey, Mas.
Manu, esta con amor de boni.
Alright.
Is the food good? They must be hungry, huh? It's not the food, it's their hunger. Girl, your hotline blinging more than mine. Eats my pay. I eat my pay, huh? Shout out to the DJ. DJ and chef in one. Oh, I got a DJ Ramsey. Hai fina oa whaaloe noa ia kai Ki e tahine birthday. Right there. Can you hold it, please? Sushi.
Ua whaaloe noa ia ka aia whakameite. Manu.
Is that on her personal page?
Ko mami be manu ton ke whakameite. Oh, no. He koe mata me nia manu.
You want a watermelon?
Huh?
You want a watermelon?
No, thank you. I'm good. Shut up. That was a song. She liked that song. Oh, that was, no, this song. She liked this song. Where'd you put the candle? She said, huh? Where'd you put the candle? Beside the fridge. You know, there's a small box. The whakamatu ay whakamatu ay bang on DJ nga we ka birthday mo na family. If what to kaya tayo ni birthday, hinga fogi na cookie ni fa etangata. Talu ni lama. Cookie ito katahaton mo eh.
French is yellow. It brightens up. The turkey club. Italians up. 5 napkins. No napkins.
Mẹ homo holoi. Manu.
French is classic yellow.
Hello, is not the old lady? I'm taking up. Two men, the back where I am going. Brandy, for Hina. She drops. And the rotten again, come high. High, the friend here, I hope you can buy. How old is she? 94.
Just like Anne, huh?
Anne.
Yeah.
Grandma Anne.
No, 89.
Oh, 89. DJ.
Thank you, girls.
Sorry, the chicken went through the hospital.
Can you have lunch?
Yeah. Nakiki au kai ko ya auntie. Na iloi lele ve auntie e cookie ne mother man. Oh my god. She told me earlier we're gonna do the cake after the dinner. No, not yet. You know how she is. Taha ke salati ki mama na pehe kakai ke kai salati atata. Yeah. Wani wai ke pakatataw te ka koi ke.
See, your salad is delicious.
Yeah, it's the bomb. Koi, osi salati e kai hoto koua.
So I will go on a diet using your salad.
Just stay here for like 20 minutes.
Actually, are you going to follow Lil Day? Are you going to follow Lil Day? Are you going to follow Lil Day? We can, yeah? Yeah, we in there, hey. We in there like somewhere. Yeah.
Ai ko mo mai mi fale vai ai ke mo ke me fala le.
Up in security over there. I heard Uncle Vaha's gonna be there.
I know malo he ko mai fala le.
Yeah, let's go. Asantino, let's go.
We're gonna be the security at the door.
You guys are gonna see my
Mom-in-law. Shut up.
my mom-in-law. My mom-in-law will be there.
I don't know. Pay out ha.
Next month. We have a month to prepare.
Hoppo kilota. Okay, ke dementia ko buhang ke dementia pa tay. Yo ko DJ dai.
Come on, for DJ Ramsey. Hi, come on.
Io, boom.